This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Trey Decker. Stunning lakefront home in the highly sought-after Lakes Edge neighborhood in Suffolk. This spacious home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage with 2,700 square feet located in a cul-de-sac. The open floor plan features beautiful LVP floors, an updated gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and inviting sunroom. The welcoming master suite features ensuite bathroom with tile shower, dual vanity, and large walk-in closet. The backyard is an outdoor oasis with inground saltwater pool including plenty of concrete lounging space that is perfect for entertaining with the incredible lakefront views. For more information, review the details below.